Hey Cheryl, I'll try to answer your question using Moodle. You are asking me how to upload something from your desktop to Moodle, I guess. I'll show you going to my Moodle page. So I'm on my geography page, and I'll minimize my Google Chrome browser. And you'll see that on my desktop, I have lots of documents. So I'll just pick one of them to upload to the Moodle page. So let's go back to the Moodle page. As usual, make sure that editing is turned on by hitting this, oops, haven't been logged in, by hitting this green button. So make sure you have editing on, and then go to add an activity or resource. And if you just want to upload a file, click here on file and click add, and then write the name of the file. So I'll just call this AAAAA and AAAAA. Remember, you have to populate both of these areas. So generally, whenever I type something as the title, I also put it as the description. And then you have to scroll down and you have this area where you can drag and drop the file. So I'm going to just grab this file and pretend that's the one I wanted to upload, and I'm going to drop it in there, and then the file appeared, and I click save and return, and then there it is on the Moodle page. And then I can use this feature over here to move it wherever I like. Even if it's in one of these other tabbed areas, I could drag it all the way down there and move it there. So that's what I think you are asking me, how to upload a file to Moodle. If that's not correct, then please let me know where you want to upload the file to. Thanks, bye.